twice. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo nalang i-maintain yung attitude na sinet nitong simulator natin. Maintain mo na lang to. Kasi on glide ka na. Okay? So, ikaw bahala maglaro ng power. Basta yung airspeed natin, ang landing airspeed ng flapless landing is dapat nasa around 70 knots. So, kapag nakita mo bumababa na siya ng 70 knots, you need to increase your power. Bakit? Baka mag-stall ka. Okay? Start na natin.
Yes, amen.
Control. Nasa the control. Add power kasi nga nasa profile. Maintain mo yan. Basta yung yun yung focus natin. Hindi, ikaw na bahala sa power. Tansyometer na yan. Wala na tayong procedure dyan kapag landing. Kanya-kanyang discard na piloto yan. Again, ang kailangan i-maintain dyan is 2 reds and 2 whites. Yung approach mo. Right? Regardless of your power. And isa pang kailangan bantayan airspeed. Kapag overspeed ka, may tendency na kapag nag-flare ka, when you say flare, yun yung ino-nose up mo kapag landing. Kapag nag-flare ka, aangat ka ulit. Kasi nga, you have to watch your speed. So, kailangan airspeed mo is at 70 knots lang during our approach. So, ngayon pa lang, try mo na magbawas ng power para ma-maintain mo yung 70 knots natin. Okay? Kapag na-maintain mo yung 70 knots natin at landing, flapless, sure yan, smooth yung landing natin. Nasaan ka ng runway? Nasa right, diba? Pag ganyan, malayo ka pa naman, don't use the rudders. Ailerons na muna tayo. Saan ka mag-rudder kapag corrective measures na lang talaga? Okay? Ayan, overspeed ka, nagagawin mo, reduce power. Reduce power and then compensate ng nose up ng konti. Okay? But okay na kapag mga 90 knots, okay na yan. Maintain mo muna yan, and then kapag close ka na, tsaka ka magpako ng 70 knots. Still glide. Oh, ano nangyari? You're too low. So, nagagawin mo? Level wings, add power. Level wings lang, hindi ka mag-climb. Kasi, at some point, kapag dumating ka na mas malapit dyan, yung glide mo, magiging tama din naman. Too low, maintain, and then, ano lang. Huwag ka mag-nose down. Nose up lang. I mean, level wings lang. Bakit? Too low ka na eh. Pag nag-nose down ka pa, kaabot. Add power, tinan mo yung airspeed mo. Check your speed. Setting na yan. Oh, masang konti. Right, oh. Ngayon ka, malapit ka na, diba? Ayan, you're on light now. Pero anong kailangan mo? Alignment. Check your alignment. How to correct your alignment? You can use the rudder, pero it's okay pag ailerons. Pero kung nahihirapan ka sa ailerons, you're too high naman ngayon. Reduce your power, nasa 1.8 ka. And your speed is at 80 knots. Minimal reduction lang ha. From 1.8 at 1.5 ka, 1.4. Minimal lang. Huwag mong biglain yung engine natin. Tapos papower mo na naman, diba? Minimal corrections lang. And mas okay na, mas mataas ka kaysa yung mababa ka. Kasi pag mataas ka, mahaba yung runway, makakapag-land ka pa rin. Kapag mababa ka, ano ito na landingan ng tubig? You're on glide. Good. Yeah, you can use your rudders. Medyo overspeed ka, pero okay lang yan. Really chopping na lang. Over the threshold, chop mo na yan. When I say chop, idle power. Okay? Correct. Sa center line ka na. Nice. Nice. Glide. Glide. You're too low. Oh, huwag na nose up. Huwag na nose up yan. Ayan. Saluhin mo, yeah. Kasi ano nangyari? Wala ka ng power. Add konti, add power. Saan ka nag-landing? Sa blast pad.
Yes.
Which is safe, but at least you landed here. Yun yung point.
Bumigat din.
Bumigat.